So one of our coolest features is Timeline. It's really easy to do, and there's a bunch of really cool things you can do in it. For Ring Protect customers, you can view all of your recorded videos there as well. To get into Timeline, it's really easy. You just go to your dashboard and click into the device you want to see. And one of the first things you can do is live view and check what's going on in real time at your house. There you go. What you can also do is you can scrub through it and see all of your recorded motion events and even filter by day. So if I wanted to see what happened yesterday, I can just tap into yesterday and scrub through. And as you can see, we also have quick snapshots. So there's just a lot of really cool things you can see here in Timeline. It's one easy to use place where you can review all of your recordings, the different types of recordings, and check what's going on in your cameras. So the other place you can review your recorded events is the event history screen. It's really easy. You just go to your device dashboard and tap on event history, and then you'll see all of your recorded events. And you can scroll through, see the dates and times, and what kind of event it was. You can also use one of our quick filters. So for example, these are all the doorbell presses, and these are all the motion events. So it's really easy to use and a really quick way to check out your recorded events.